Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Markdown. We are diving into one of the most underrated but incredibly useful tool out there, the Markdown editor. If you're a blogger, developer or student or just someone who loves organizing your thoughts, this is for you. And Markdown makes writing clean and structured document super easy without any cluttered interface. And the best part, you don't need to be a coder to use it. So, what is Markdown? We will just learn what is first. We learn what is Markdown. So, the what is Markdown is lightweight markup language that you can use to add formatting elements to plain text documents created by this man in 2004. Markdown is now one of the world's most popular markup languages. Now, think of it like a way to format your text, similar how to Word. It's very similar to how Google Docs and how Google Docs it works. Instead of clicking buttons, uh, like make things bold, italic. You have to use symbols. For example, they have given the example over here. Just see. So as you can see here, for headline, he uses this hash, and to add more bold in the textness, he adds this star symbol. Now, Markdown is popular because it's portable, fast, and doesn't lock you into specific software. So, uh, let's do explain every reason in details. Now, why we should you should use this software. First thing is market strips away distraction. Unlike Word or Google Docs, it does not flood you with toolbars and buttons. It uses a plain text with the symbol, letting you can concentrate on your content without worrying about formatting until you are ready. Writer, blogger, and coder use it because it reduces cognitive load. Your brain can just write. So second thing is universal and lightweight format. Markdown file are .md text file. They open in any editor like Notepad, VS Code, etc. Uh, they are tiny in size, so they don't bloat your drive. It will save your storage now, and they work across Mac, Windows, Linux, web platform. This makes Markdown future-proof. Your notes will still open 10 years from now, no matter the software. The third thing is you can easily formatting with simple syntax. Want to make heading? You can use the hash. Want to make your text bold? You can use start, and triple backsticks you can use as well. If you want to use the code, no need to reach for a mouse. You can format while typing, making your workflow fast and keyboard centric. Fourth is to ideal for code plus text. Markdown supports syntax highlighting for dozens of language. You can write documentation that includes code simple in JS, Python, proper formatting. Now, for example, how to use Markdown in detail. Before know how you can use, simply you have to download it that software. How you can download it? You can just simply go over this website, which is Markdown monster.west.win.com. From here, you have to just simply click on the free download. It will redirect to this page and click on download Markdown Monster 3.0. So it will install this application, and you have to just install and give the permission, whatever the permission it will ask, and you have to agree their terms and condition. After agreeing their terms and condition, something appear like this. So this is my Markdown blog post, and as you can see here, this is the first thing it will appear in front of you. For example, if you want to create a new file, just simply click file and click on the new. So this is where you can write your text. This is where your output will appear. For example, I want to add a heading. What I will do is to add a hash, and for example, what I will do is to add a hash and heading. As you can see here, the heading is showing in the left side, and whatever I will add over here, it will appear here. So you can access the headings, boldness of your text from the top screen, but it is very easy to use without mouse. As I can see, I can use this only with the my keyboard. If I want to add smaller headline, what I have to do is to simply add two hashes and heading. As you can see here, these two headings are different sizes. So if I remove one, it will very similar to each other. For example, this. If I add one more hash, so it will downsize the text. So this is the case. And if you want to give the text a little boldness, what you can do is to just simply add to start in front of the your text, and boom, your headline is bold. If you want to give a uh, italic style to your text, what you can do is to remove one star, and as you can see here, the it has given me this italic style. Now if you want to add image, what you can do is to either you can select from over here. uh, you can just add the web URL local image file, or you can just image text. So if you want to use from the keyboard, what you can do is to just enter this first exclamation mark, and this brackets, enter the name of the image, for example Ronaldo image. Now you have to search image like this and copy the image address and paste it over here by uh, entering these columns. As you can see here, the Ronaldo's image has appeared correctly. So these are the small cases you can use it. So what is real use case to create note or blog post? Let's make a quick blog post together in Markdown. So first, I will do is to add to my headline, my Markdown blog post, and I will do, this is the headline of my first blog post, and I will give the little boldness to this uh, text. After that, I will add welcome to my first blog post using Markdown. So as you can see here, this has not given the separate line. What I will do is just simply add one more three hashes. As you can see here, it has given me a different. So what I will do is just make more bigger. Simply click over here. So this is the bigger headline, this is the title. And for example, why you should want to use this website, I will explain that. uh, for example, I will add one more headline, which is the three why we should use the Markdown. I will give the headline 3, as you can see here, the question mark. And if you want to give the bullet points, what you can do, you can add this dash, and it is fast. Okay, one more, it is clean, it is easy to learn. So you can make bullet points out of it. So now let's add one more thing is Markdown makes writing feels like writing again. Let's make little more in a good way. For example, what I will do is just add this symbol and give the double colon and add the text mark down makes writing feel like writing again. So it will appear in this form. It's like quoting a quote. So this is one of the useful in blocking. Whenever something you have to specify or you have to underline, you can do that too. So this is the my simple blog post, and thank for simply what I will do is just remove this, make sure you have given this dot, and after that just add this bold. Thanks for reading this blog. So I have created this simple blog, uh, just blog, give little boldness. So I have created this simple blog using the Markdown. So this is the you can use for creating a blog post or whatever you want to write. So all right, you have just learned the basic and few advanced trick for using Markdown. My advice: start small, use Markdown to take notes, general or write blog draft. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. And trust me, once you get comfortable with it, you will never go back to bulky editors. So, if you found this video helpful, just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.